Now let's move to the heart of Chile, the scenic Lake District. While this region is famous for its lakes, rivers, and forests, there's a lesser-known gem you can't miss, Puerto Varas. Located on the shores of Lake Lanquihu and surrounded by towering volcanoes, this charming town is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking, biking, water sports, you name it, Puerto Varas has it. Finally, let's journey to the south, to the rugged landscapes of Patagonia. Torres del Paine National Park is a standout with its towering peaks, scenic lakes, and glaciers. It's a nature lover's dream come true. But the hidden gem that truly stole my heart, the town of Caleta Tortel. Nestled on the shores of the Baker River surrounded by majestic mountains, this tiny town is accessible only by boat or on foot. The views are breathtaking, and the sense of adventure is palpable. So there you have it, my top picks for Chile's hidden gems, from the Atacama Desert to Patagonia. Each destination offers unique experiences that will leave you with lifelong memories and a deep appreciation for this incredible country.